Day 22, and I'm gonna build a new app. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna make a new app. I'm gonna walk you guys through all the steps I go through. This is my third Shopify app, so hopefully I've learned some things and I can impart those to you guys. Um, I kind of call it like it's like a journey. All these things are a journey, and the first part of it is the problem pit. So you got to go through the problem pit. You got to dig deep, really validate that this is an actual problem people have. It's best if you have it yourself, but that's not always easy to come by. So just make sure it's a problem that other people have, and there's ways to do that. And then you got to climb the build mountain, the development mountain, the coding mountain, whatever you want to call it. It's never been easier, frankly, with tools like Lovable and ChatGPT and Bubble and all this stuff. So I'm gonna walk you guys through how I do that. And then finally, the marketing piece. I still haven't cracked that. I'm still trying to get to the summit of the marketing mountain on my other apps, but just stuff I've learned so far and how I put that into the build process. So yeah, for this app, starting with the problem, this liquor store came to me. They came to me through Scan to Sell, and they said, "Hey, like we got 3,000 products in the store. We don't have images for these products. They're branded products. Think Ciroc bottles, brand name wines, brand name beers. We need images for these." So they already got the title. They already got the description. They need images. So that's a problem, right? To validate that problem, I went on Ahrefs and I started like doing some searching, like how many other people search for this stuff. I found some keywords around it. It had okay search volume, low keyword difficulty score, so enough people are searching for it. And then another thing I did was I posted on Reddit. So I literally just wrote, hey, I basically just did the same use case again to see if anyone else, because like once you know one person has this problem, you want to know if other people have this problem too. So I posted on Reddit and I said, hey, I'm having this problem with my liquor store. Does anyone else have this? And I got some comments, and everyone basically said like, that's just how it is. Like it sucks, but that's just how it is. So that tells me like that could be something out there for a solution. And then the last thing I did today to sort of get through the problem pit was I started making the landing page. Not because it'll get me signups or anything, but it just starts me thinking about how I talk about this, like how I explain the value, how I'm gonna design the app store listing for Shopify and all that stuff. So anyways, that's what I did today, and I'll show you guys it in this video.